Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Fuller Heights, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers, a local moving company in Fuller Heights, are a team of experts who have a grasp on the city to offer you professional advice on choices on areas to settle in, etc. One quality that sets 3 Movers apart is their affordability and well-estimated service costs. 3 Movers are also providing clients with free quotes. All you need to do is contact their customer service. To help you settle in quickly, 3 Movers will ensure to conclude your relocation within 24 hours. 3 Movers' knowledge of the city helps them decide the best possible routes to ensure your properties get to you safely. 3 Movers is known to help people relocate from Fuller Heights to other areas of the state, country, and even across the world. They have built a solid reputation and reliable network of partners across the country in over 190 countries as well. The safety of your properties when shipping long distance is guaranteed. This is achieved by providing clients with an adequate moving storage unit to house their properties and belongings. Furthermore, an insurance policy is put in place to protect their clients' properties and belongings from any damage or loss that may occur. They also help you ship your automobiles, which include your cars, motorcycles, ATVs, to any location over 100 miles. This long-distance moving company ensures you have a smooth and stress-free relocation process. Their cost-effective long-distance relocation is billed by price quote. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fuller Heights moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.